Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Did you know that blend photos can boost your social media presence by up to 80%? That's right. With just a little bit of creativity, you can transform your image into eye-catching art that makes your post stand out. So, are you ready to improve your photo editing skills? But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So first I just close in this page and I already opened the other Canva page with the two pictures what I would like to use. I'm going to the element and search an element, searching for gradient and going to the graphics. I try to find one which I can use for my picture. I think it's good enough. Just rotate to 90 degree. Yes, and zooming out a bit, I just like this, and insert into the middle, and the second one also. Like this. And just copy the item, moving to the second page, rotating to 90 degree and moving to the right side, and also made a copy. Maybe this one is not so good. No, maybe it's one enough. Depends which gradient we use. Maybe it's not dark enough, like this, or some lighter things. Maybe we can paste it twice, but I think for this one is enough. And go into the share, download, and downloading both pages. Now on the second page, and go into the upload file, and just uploading these two files, two pictures, and inserting to the empty page. Insert the second one also, and go into the transparency and reduce the transparency to somewhere between 30 and 45 ish. That's also depends on your pictures and how it looks like and what design you will use it. So that's this is what I find between 30 and 45% is good enough. And here is the final outcome. I think it looks amazing. And this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. Hope so you enjoyed this. And if you like it, please don't forget to click on this small like button and subscribe to my channel. And see you in my next tutorial. Ciao.